In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a test email in Klaviyo. We'll start right from the main dashboard, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to build a quick campaign and send a test version to your own inbox, so you can check everything before sending it to your full list. First, go to your Klaviyo dashboard and make sure you're logged into the correct account for the brand you're working on. From here, look for the campaigns option in the main navigation bar and click on it. This is where you manage all your one-off email sends. Once you're on the campaigns page, click on the button that says Create Campaign. This tells Klaviyo you want to set up a new email send. You'll be prompted to name your campaign. Type in a clear, descriptive campaign name so you can easily recognize it later. For example, something like Spring Promo Test or Newsletter Layout Check works well. Next, choose Single Channel. Since we're just focusing on email for this test, you don't need any multi-channel options here. After selecting that, click on Continue to move to the next step. Now you'll choose who this email is intended for. Click on Select a List or Segment, and Klaviyo will show you the lists and segments in your account. Even though this is just a test, you still need to assign a list or segment. Click on the list or segment you want this campaign to be associated with, then click Next to continue. On the next screen, you'll set up your basic email details. Type in the subject line you want to test, along with the preview text. These are what your subscribers will see in their inbox, so it's a good idea to make them realistic, even for a test. Now it's time to choose your design. Browse through your available templates and click on the one you want to use for this email. Once you've found the right one, click Use Template to open it in the email editor. Inside the editor, you can adjust your content if needed, but when you're ready to test, click on Preview and Test. A panel will appear where you can enter the email address you want to send the test to. Click into the email field and type in your own address, or whichever inbox you want to use for reviewing. Finally, click on Send Test below that. Klaviyo will send a test version of your campaign to the email you entered. Check your inbox to review the design, links, and formatting before scheduling or sending the live campaign.